What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jonathan, aka Mr. J Pro here, and I'm alongside my wife on the camera, Mrs. Natalie, aka Mrs. J Pro, and we're here on set in the heart of Mississauga, Square One area, with my boy Jason, who is our model for today. Shout out to Jason. So we are going to be doing a lifestyle photo session with him. Excuse the wind if it's very windy. So just stay tuned and just watch how I do my thing. Hopefully you guys can learn something. Let's get it. All right, so Jason, so what we're gonna do, probably just want to start off with just like a kind of a portrait look.
I love this. You already
right? Exactly. We are completely blown out right now, so I'm gonna put a filter on. Okay guys, because it's way too windy, we're not gonna be using the off-camera flash. It's just gonna be the natural sunlight on Jason with my 70-200 by Sigma. All right. It's kind of looking down at your shoulder, because it's like in a shadow area, and I can't use the flash. If you get into one of those light pockets,
Yeah.
I could light you up from like that. I want the light to hit you though. Yeah, right there. Hold that. Nice. Straighten your shoulders a little bit. So right now you're leaning this way. Just trying to straighten up a little bit. Keep it there for 1 second. Maybe sit on the ledge here. Yeah, and just face me. You're making me mess up my Adidas suit, bro. Hold it there. That's nice. Yeah, I think we're ready for that.
I was just thinking for the next one.
Oh, for the next one? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Guys, I just want to say I'm so sorry if it's super windy, but I can't help that. So if the audio sounds very muffled, it's not my fault. I apologize. But yeah, hopefully you guys are getting something from this. It's for you guys, okay? I love you. So we're going to our next location, which is the stairs, and for some reason Jason is very excited about these stairs. So we're doing this for him. And just looking towards the light that way, yeah, right there. So we're on our way to the other location. We're just following Jason, and you're not paying attention. You gotta turn and look, sweetheart. Okay? Stay there, my dude. Nice. You wanna do one, Jay, just standing up on there and just relaxed on there? Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead, hon.
Oh, sorry, boss. Can you put one leg up? Yeah, right there. Can you ask that little girl to just step up for 1 sec? Okay, go. No, it's I'll be there to save the... Yeah. Yeah. Hold that there. Hold it. All right, my dude.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure as always.
Always.
Just want to say a big shout out to my boy Jason. Thank you for being our model today. You did an amazing job.
Thank you.
As usual. And so guys, we're going to show you the befores and afters of these photos, and obviously he killed it as usual. So stay tuned. Let's get it times 4.